Hello friends, my name is Ramasood. Today we will discuss about a topic graphical evaluation and review technique that is called as GERT. Um, Friend, this is a important topic with reference to project management. If you are a student in project management and studying project management in university, or you are planning to give exam of PMP, so friend, you will definitely see this topic graphical evaluation and review technique in the exam. However, at least one to two questions you will see in the exam in which this you will see this topic in the multiple choice option. Um, Friend, your concept should be very clear. Also, if you are a professional project manager working in any organization, so again, you must have to know about this topic as this is a important topic in the project management. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Graphical evaluation and review technique that is called as GERT. Friend, what is basically a GERT? First of all, see friend, this is a topic which is mainly related to project management. And in the project management, we all knows that the estimation of tasks are very important. In a general sense, what is the concept of estimation in project? See friend, here if you are just take it as a sample, or just take it as an very simple example, like you want to go to meet your uncle at some place. So you have to do some planning. Like planning means that you must have to think that how will you go there, how much time is required to go there, how much cost will be required. For example, you are going through the car, so how much distance you have to cover through the car, do you need to get the petrol as well or not. So if you go through the car, what is the option? If you go through the bus, so what will be the option? What will be the feasible option if you go through the car, if you go through the motorcycle, if you go through the bus. So see friend, similarly in project management as well, we have to think about the estimation as well, that how we can estimate the things. Like for example, if you are implementing an e-commerce solution for a customer, so you have to estimate that how much time is required to accomplish the task and how much cost will be required to accomplish those tasks. So GERT allows for probabilistic treatment of both network logic and activity durations estimates. GERT is mainly used on project activities that are only performed in part, as well as those activities that may be performed more than once. The above graphical illustrates a graphical diagram with a simple loop. See friend, here the graphical evaluation review technique is basically used for estimation of task. For example friend, if you are implementing e-commerce solution, so you can just take it as an example, like you can divide the work into a task that you can estimate. For example, take the same example of e-commerce implementation. So uh, you need development, you need testing, and you need deployment. Just take it very simple example. So for development, you need approximately 1 month is required for development, 10 days for testing, and 10 days for deployment. So you can say approximately in you can say at least in 50 man days you can complete the project, for example. Okay, so friend, uh, in the project management, estimation is very important, and GERT is a approach which we use for estimation of task. Okay, so it is a graphical evaluation and review technique is a method. Graphical method, like we use the graphs and diagrams to represent the estimation of task actually, which is based on probability. For example, on a high rise development project, the electrical outlets for each floor may be installed as each floor is completed instead of waiting for the completion of the entire building. Since this activity will be performed more than once, using GERT will enable you to calculate the entire duration of this activity. See friend, here GERT, first of all, it is the estimation technique. Secondly, the activities which are done in loop. So it is a very good approach when when we know that the activities which are doing in loop, or they are repeating, so we can use the concept of GERT for the implementation or for the estimation of tiles. Like for example, see for example here, the electrical outlets needs to be installed on each floor, so you know that it is the installation which is repeating again and again, so we can use the graphical evaluation technique here. Friend, notation for the graphical evaluation review techniques or alternative, or alternative, one more, like or, same concept of or, and means both conditions should be true, deterministic, every outcoming activity has probability equal to 1, which means that every one will be performed, probabilistic, each of outcoming activity has some probability of appearance. Here the notations are there, symbols, you just compare these notations from these. Like for example, XOR means that alternatives, or means out of one should be true, and means both should be true, deterministic, every outcoming activity has probability equal to 1, and probabilistic mean each outcoming activity has some probability of appearance. Friend, just try to remember those notations. uh, Another example I can give you here. For example, in this example, two space vehicles are being sent and meet in the space. The success of the mission is possible only if both are successfully launched. Okay, so here the mission success has AND operator. You can see AND operator, this is the AND operator, and AND operator, as both vehicles are required. Both mission failure has OR operator, as if at least one of them fails, the mission fails. And OR operator, you can see from here, this is the OR operator. So that means, friend, if both machines meet in the vehicles, so for AND we use that operator, and for OR we use the that operator. You just compare from here as well, and this is operator, and OR this is the operator. So friend, we can use the honestly saying, let me tell you that this was the graphical evaluation review technique. It is the old approach which was used for the estimation of techniques, estimation of tasks. However, friend, as per the project management, as per the PMBOK guide, you must have to know that what is GERT, like graphical evaluation review technique, and you must have the idea that what is the concept behind it. The concept behind is that for estimation of task where you know that things are repeating, we can use this concept of GERT, graphical evaluation review technique, and it has some notations which should have to be in our mind when we are estimation the things. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.